I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making leprechaun bark. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Next week is St. Patrick's Day, so I thought I'd honor my favorite snake charmer by going green. This is a quick and easy recipe, and with a few modifications, appropriate for any occasion, or no occasion at all. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own leprechaun bark, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's get this patty started. For this recipe, you'll need 344 grams of green candy melts, 3 or 4 finely crushed chocolate graham crackers, 40 grams of Andy's Creme de Menthe baking chips, and 1/4 teaspoon peppermint extract. I'm going to add an extra special topping, but I'll save that as a surprise. If you'd like, you can use white chocolate and green food coloring instead of the green candy melts. And if you're not a fan of the minty freshness, you can leave out the extract and just use a different topping. You'll also need something in which to melt your chocolate, a spoon or spatula, and a cutting board or baking sheet lined with silpat, parchment, or waxed paper. Okay, let's make some candy. Spread the crushed graham crackers on a covered cutting board or baking sheet. I've always made bark with a layer of chocolate on the bottom, never with graham cracker crumbs, so we'll see how this works. I saw the idea in a recipe on foodfunfamily.com. I'll link it in the description. Melt the candy melts and add the peppermint extract. Mix it well. Then carefully pour the candy melt over the graham cracker crumbs. Quickly but gently spread the candy melt with an offset spatula or spoon. Immediately sprinkle the mint chips over the top. This is where my secret ingredient comes in. I thought it would be fun to get some marshmallows like the ones in Lucky Charms cereal to use as a topping, so we'll add some of those as well. Use an offset spatula or spoon to gently press the topping into the chocolate. If you get any of the candy melt on the spatula, wipe it off before continuing, just to keep things looking nice. Let the bark cool, then break it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it! Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. Chocolate and mint flavors, creamy and crunchy. The graham cracker crumbs add a really nice texture to it. It all works together to make this a really tasty treat. And it's so easy to make. You really ought to try these. Fun fact, the color green wasn't associated with St. Patrick's Day until 1798. Before that, it was the color blue. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Okay, let this... I was so excited. Okay, let's get this. The graham cracker crust actually, no, it's not a crust. Immediately sprinkle the mint chimps. Yes, put monkeys on your candy. What?